together today. Today I'm making a Boudin roll. And it's going to be so easy. You're going to say, man, why didn't I do that? Let me tell you what, now my oven's ready to go. We're going to be rocking and rolling in a minute and putting that son of a gun in there. Now here's the deal. You know, first thing you're going to need some pizza dough, pizza crust. You're going to need some Boudin, at least 2 pounds of Boudin. Make sure you have 2 pounds handy, all right? The Boudin of your choice. Came up to what I was going to do today. Was I going to go healthy? Or was I going to go with some Boudin? And some beer? See what's going on in the oven, baby. Oh yeah, you go, Shaq. Oh man, look at this. Hot dang. Oh, I tell you what. This is awesome. Now here's what I'm gonna do. This here was so easy. It's a little bit warm now, so I'm not going to mess with it too much. This was so easy to make. See what we got going on, baby. This is so awesome. Now it's real hot, so I can't eat on it right now. But look at that. Filled with Boudin. This is just out of this world. Boy, I tell you. Let me get up here where I can show you what's going on. See this rascal right here? This is awesome. Plenty of Boudin there. When you get your pizza crust, get the thin, and do it just like I did. The only thing you want to look at on the packaging is 400 degrees. You bake it. After you make it, you bake it until it's golden brown like this. Hey, this Chef Bourque. Y'all come back, Chef. Damn that.